Concept 2, finding unit prices to compare costs. Okay. So when you're looking to find a unit price, you do that the same way as converting a rate to a unit rate. Okay, you set up your ratio as a fraction. Make sure your price is in the numerator, because if your price is in the denominator, you're going to end up finding ounces per dollar or something like that, and it's going to be harder to compare. All right, so make sure your price is in the numerator and then convert it to a decimal. So here we have a situation. A can of soup costs 75 cents each and is on sale, buy two, get one for free. Okay, so if we are going to buy 3 cans of soup, how much are we saving per can by getting that buy two, get one free? All right, so we have one case where we have our 0.75, so 75 cents per 1 can, okay, and that's our unit rate, right? 75 cents or 0.75 of a dollar for 1 can. And then we're going to compare that to if we buy 2 cans of soup and then we get one for free. So that'd be 150 over 3 cans, right? Okay, so to make that comparison, we need to convert this to a unit price. We're going to divide both of these by 3. 150 divided by 3 should be 50 cents, or 0.5. And then 3 divided by 3 should be 1, because our whole goal is to get this value on the bottom to be 1. Okay, and now we can compare. If we buy 1 can, it's 75 cents per can. If we buy 3 cans, it's 50 cents per can. So we save 1/3, right? Or we save 25 cents. Okay, another example. An 18-ounce bag of Doritos costs $5.58, while an 11-ounce bag costs $3.96, which is the better deal. This one might be a little more difficult to figure out. Okay, we're going to have to change it to unit rate. I can't just look at that and say, oh yeah, this one's definitely the better deal, or this one's definitely the better deal. All right, you're going to need to do the division. So let's set it up. Our first job is to set it up in fraction form. So we have 5.58 over 18 ounces. And this is dollars. And then we have 3.96 dollars over 11 ounces. Okay, and this is a case where you're going to get out your calculator and you're just going to say 5.58 divided by 18 equals 0.31. So this is going to be 31 cents. That's not a very good dollar sign. 31 cents per 1 ounce, right? 31 cents an ounce. And then we can get our unit rate for our other one. 3.96 divided by 11. And this one's 36. So that one's going to be equal to 36, or 0.36 dollars per ounce. Okay, and now whichever one is greater, okay, because this can kind of be confusing. Whichever one is greater is going to be the worse deal, right? This is me paying more money for the same amount of Doritos. All right, so if I'm looking to buy Doritos, I want to buy this bag. I want to buy the 18-ounce bag because I get it for 5 cents less per ounce. Okay, that's an important thing to remember, is that the smaller fraction results in you paying less, so that is the better deal.